What's up, mathlete? Is your brain ready for a workout? Then let's warm up. Arrange 8 items into 2 rows of 4. Skip count by 4 2 times. Now rearrange the 8 items into 4 rows of 2. Skip count by 2 4 times. Look at the 2 arrays that you just made. How is the skip counting related? Do both arrays show 2 groups of 4? Let's look at this picture. You can see there are 4 items in each row, so this picture shows 2 groups of 4. If I flip it like this, my 2 rows are now vertical. 1, 2. My vertical rows still make 2 groups of 4. It's the same array, just turned a different way. We have a special name for a row when it's vertical. We call it a column. Look at this new array. Complete the table to show the number of rows and columns in the array. Press the button next to this array to rotate it. Now complete the table to show the number of rows and columns in the rotated array. Fill in the first row of the table with the number of rows and columns in the array. Then, rotate the array and complete the table to match the new array. Fill in the first row of the table with the number of rows and columns in the array. Then, rotate the array and complete the table to match the new array. Let's take a look at this new array. We have 3 rows and 2 columns. 2, 4, 6, and 6 total items. Now let's write a multiplication sentence that can describe this array. We can say there are 3 rows times 2 columns. That equals 6 total items. We can rotate the array and then say that 2 rows times 3 columns also equals 6 total items. You try. Write a multiplication sentence to describe the array. Now rotate the array and write a different multiplication sentence that describes the new array. Write a multiplication sentence to describe this array. Then, rotate the array and write a different multiplication sentence to describe the new array. Does 6 times 2 equal 2 times 6? When we multiply, changing the order of factors doesn't change the total. 2 times 6 equals 12, and 6 times 2 equals 12. We say factors are commutative when they can switch around but the total doesn't change. Factors in a multiplication sentence follow the commutative property because we can switch their order and the total stays the same. Use the commutative property to find the missing factor and make this statement true. Try another one. Use the commutative property to find the missing factor and make this statement true. Last one. Use the commutative property to find the missing factor and make this statement true.